Is it good? All right. This is Corey here at Janilink, and we're about to announce the raffle event winners. So we got 2 prizes for spin mops, 2 for our Dyson vacuums, and then 2 of the grand prize winners are going to win these 55-inch TVs. So first up is going to be those 2 spin mops, and we'll see who gets it. I'm going to mix these up a little bit better.
To explain the MacBook?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I'm just going to make sure. All right. Good and mixed up. All right. First 2 winners for the spin mop is going to be Anthony Pitt. I think that's the right pronunciation, but Anthony.
Wow! Woo!
Number 2. Marlon Carter.
Oh, Marlon! Wow, very good, good.
Great.
Whoa!
All right.
I love Anthony and Marlon.
Good. Yeah, definitely we'll be calling you so you can come by and get those prizes. All right. Now next up is going to be the Dyson, and we're going to see first up Cheryl Middleton.
Cheryl, yo!
Cheryl,
Whoa! Wow! Congratulations!
And then number 2, Giovanni!
Wow! Yeah, he visited late yesterday. Wow!
Awesome, yeah.
Very
I'll call you
good.
back to get you in here.
Woo!
All right, and here we go. Grand prize.
Woo!
All right, Heather Reese.
Heather
you
Reese!
win a 55-inch TV.
Woo! Wow! Congratulations!
Heather. All right, last up.
Last one.
Last one. Jerome.
Whoa!
You get a 55-inch TV.
Woo!
All right, and those are the grand prizes. But everybody who has entered, we're going to give you a text or call. You come back up here, we give you a $10 gift card. So yeah, we'll let you know. And thank you for watching us and joining us today.
Woo! Yeah, good.